Hello there, modern man. Today, I'm diving deep into the 5 sexual confidence killer you might be making without even realizing it. And I'll challenge myself to turn them around in real time. So, sexual confidence is a game changer. It's not just about having sex, it's about feeling good in your own skin, being comfortable with your desires, and being able to express them. When you have sexual confidence, you're more likely to have a fulfilling relationship, enjoy sex, and feel empowered in your personal life. We all have behaviors and mindset that hold us back, often even without realizing it. These stem from past experiences, society pressures, and even well meaning but misguided advice from others. They can make us feel anxious, unsure, or unworthy in our intimate relationship. Today, we're going to explore 5 common areas that might be silently sabotaging your sex life. Let's talk about comparing yourself to others. We live in a world where social media showcases everyone highlight reel, make it look easy and feel like we don't measure up. But when you compare your sex life or your body to someone else's curated story, you're setting up yourself for disappointment and self doubt. This comparison can make you feel like you're not good enough or that your experiences are somehow less valid. Men struggling to stay hard, most of the time it comes down to poor blood flow. That's why I put together the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, a nutrient packed blend designed to restore blood flow naturally. My patients often notice improvement in just a few weeks when they take this part of their daily routine. Click the link below to get the recipe and start boosting your blood flow and firmness today, or go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com. Another confidence killer is negative self talk. Stop it, guys. I see this all the time. Stop it, stop it, stop it. We've all had those moments where we criticize ourselves for the way your performance is or even your desire. But when you regularly engage in negative self talk, negative thinking, you start to believe those things and it seep into your confidence. You begin to feel like you're not worthy of pleasure or love. Focusing on performance rather than pleasure is another major confidence killer. When you prioritize performance over enjoying the moment, you put unnecessary pressure on yourself. This can lead to anxiety and make it difficult to relax and even enjoy sex. It's about shifting your focus from doing it right to experiencing pleasure together. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So, check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. Lastly, fear of vulnerability can really hold you back. Being vulnerable means being open and honest about your desire, your boundaries, and your needs. When you're afraid to express yourself, you might feel like you're not being true to yourself or your partner. This fear can stem from past experiences or fear of rejection, but it's essential to work through it and to build deeper connections. The most surprising sexual confidence killer that many might not even realize they are guilty of is people pleasing. People pleasing can make you prioritize your partner's needs over your own to the point of discomfort or resentment. While being considerate of your partner is important, and I encourage it, doing so at the expense of your own pleasure or comfort can erode your confidence. When you're too focused on pleasing others, you lose touch with your own desire and need. So, we've discussed 5 sexual confidence killer. 1, compare yourself to others. 2, negative self-talk. 3, focusing on performance over pleasure. 4, fear of vulnerability. And 5, people pleasing. Overcoming these barriers can lead to a healthier, more fulfilling sexual relationship and a boost in self-esteem. If any of these killers resonated with you, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. If you're looking to boost your self-esteem and confidence, check out our other videos for practical tips and strategies. Just know that you do not have to live with ED. You are not broken. You are not alone. There are alternatives for you. If you want to break through ED, I can guide you through it. Check the link down below and how we can work together. We also have the Modern Man Club, a safe and discreet space where we work together to get you out of ED towards sexual performance again. Just know we're here to support you every step of the way. You are not alone to try to figure this out yourself. And I would appreciate if you will subscribe to the channel, get notification, and share this with somebody you think may benefit from this, because it means the world to me. And a lot of our viewers are not subscribers, so subscribe right now. And thank you so much for watching this channel. And I will see you in the next episode. Okay, modern men, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself. It's exhausting, but here's the truth. You are not broken, you are not alone, and you don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence, no more trial and error, just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.